Everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the dollar CAD. Right, I chose this pair because later on in the day we will be having quite a bit of CAD related news that will be released, such as the core CPI data along with Bank of Canada's interest rate decision. So we should be seeing quite a bit of move on the dollar CAD. Right, so what I have here is the dollar CAD on the 4 hours, and if you were to look at the resistance, right, price has been testing this resistance not once, not twice, but 3 times. Okay, once here, twice, and a third time. And every time price comes back to test this resistance, we see a big drop, right? There's always a big drop. So right now, we can expect to see a big drop as well. All right, so we have the resistance over here on the 4 hours. And what I want to show you guys is really we can actually do a Fibonacci retracement from the last low to the high. Low to high. And open all Fibonacci ratios, and we see that the 6180 falls over here, all right, in line with the graphical overlap support. Okay, so this is a zone. This is a zone that we can possibly look to take profit at, okay, on the intraday basis. So we have a strong resistance level, and we have also identified a strong support level, which is a high probability take profit area where we find key Fibonacci 61.8 along with a graphical overlap support. Right, let's quickly go down to the 1 hour. So I'm just going to tidy this up. Right, on the 1 hour, we also see this we see this zone as well, that it plays out really nicely, where price actually consolidates within this zone, right? So we can definitely play down into this area for an intraday trade. All right, the idea right now, since we already find our take profit and we know where our we more or less know where our stop loss is. Okay, now what we have to do is to identify the entry level. Okay, so the stop loss will be the level at which we know for sure we are wrong. So this can be the stop loss. All right, and if we were to join this lower highs together with a trend line, okay, we see that the trend line is holding price very nicely. We can do a retracement of the last move, high to low, and we can see that price could come back up. All right, there is a, looking left, there is a strong there's a intermediate support area here. Okay, so what I'm thinking price could do is price could push down, bounce back up, come back up to this area here before starting the real drop. All right, so let's just let me just move this line, and I'm going to highlight the 61.8 area as well, where it is actually a graphical overlap area once more. Right, so we have a sell entry over here. Okay, we just wait for price to come back up, and of course we have take profit down here and intraday take profit, right, and also our stop loss outside of the market structure. Last but not least, we can actually also include a sort of indicator such as moving average. All right, and 9 is too sensitive, so I'm going to just change the color so it makes it easier for everyone to see. So I'll probably do something like 21, right? So right now price is actually pushing below the moving average. Okay, there's a bit of space here, so I may just use Fibonacci number, and we see that price is holding below the moving average quite nicely. And when the market is trending on the 1 hour, all right, the moving average actually holds price nicely as well. This is what we call the natural moving average of the instrument. Okay, so we can expect to see a drop, an intraday push down to the take profit zone with our stop loss and our entry here. So that's all the time that we have for today's dollar CAD trade of the day. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.